So welcome friends. Today we'll discuss Avenue Supermarts Ltd. It's a company with a market cap of about 3,29,000 crores. The key product categories that the company offers are food, non-food, FMCG, general merchandising, and apparel. Foods contribute 56.96% of the company's revenue, while non-food FMCG products contribute 20.68% of the total revenue of the company. And share of general merchandise and apparels is 23.4%. In 2011-12, the company had 55 stores, while in 2017 to 18, the store count stood at 155. In 22-23, the store count increased to 325 stores, while in 2024, the store count stood at 365 stores. So if we have a look at the year-wise store additions in FY20, the company added 38 new stores, in FY21, 22 new stores, in FY22, 50 new stores, in FY23, 40 new stores, and in FY24, 41 new stores. Total bill cuts in crores for FY24 stood at 30.3 crores, while the like-for-like growth for 24 months stood at 9.9% in FY24. Total business area stood at 15.1 million square foot in FY24, while per retail business area revenue was about INR 32,941 in FY24. The company generated a revenue of 49,533 crores in FY24, while EBITDA margin stood at 8.3% and EBITDA was of 4,099 crores. PAT stood at 2,695 crores with a margin of 5.4%, while net cash from operations stood at 3,334 crores as of FY24. Days inventory days were 29.2 in FY24, while days payable were 7.1 days. Debt to equity is negligible at 0.02%, and fixed asset ratio stood at 3.6 in FY24, while inventory turnover ratio was 14.6. Return on net worth stood at 15.1% and return on capital employed stood at 19.1% as of FY24. The sales at consolidated level grew by 18.6% in FY24, while EBITDA grew by 12.8% and profit after tax grew by 6.6%. The key subsidiaries of Avenue Supermart are Avenue E-Commerce Limited, which contributes about 2,899 in terms of sale, and there was an increase of 31.7% in the year, and the company made a loss of about 184.8 crores in FY24 under the subsidiary, while in Avenue Food Plaza Limited, the sales were at 177 crores. It grew by 42% in a year, and the PAT stood at a loss of 5.8 crores. Under Align Retail Traders Limited, their revenue stood at 2,796 crore, which was a growth of 26.5% on year-to-year basis, while the PAT reported was 33,000, or rather 33 crores for the year, which was a growth of about 43.8%. And now let's have a look at some key financials of the company. The stock is trading at 124. The ROC of the company is 19.4, while ROE is 14.5%. Debt to equity is negligible at 0.03%. The quarterly sales jumped from 12,727 crores to 14,069 crores in the June quarter 2024, and the profits after tax increased from 563 crores to 774 crores in the June quarter. Having a look at the balance sheet, the reserves of the company stood at about 18,000 crores with a borrowing of 592 crores and work in progress at 935 crores. Cash from operating activities increased from 2630 crores in March 2023 to 2746 crores in March of 2024. Having a look at the shareholding pattern, the promoters hold 74.6% in the company, FIs hold 9.22% in the company, while DIs hold 7.95% in the company. The rest 8.09% is held by the public. So this is it about Avenue Supermart. We'll meet up soon in a new video. Till then, take care and have a good time.